This is a review of the Titan 4-inch, quarter-inch swivel head ratchet. This is a small but mighty little tool. It's got great knurling here on the shaft. The handle is comfortable with this black oxide finish. It feels smooth in the hand, but still has a good grip to it. The swivel moves fluidly, but it's not sloppy, so it doesn't just fly around without being moved. So it moves with force easily, but won't move on its own. The ratcheting head itself is polished outside of the mechanism inside. The directional switch, if you move it to the right, it backs out. Move it to the left, and it tightens. It's got good retention on sockets, but they're able to be removed without too much of a struggle. This little compact tool is super useful when you need to get in a tight space with a quarter-inch socket. Very comfortable, very well machined, very well done. Great offering from Titan.